How to make cucumber water. Regular hydration is a vital component of maintaining good health, but many people struggle to drink enough water daily. Cucumber water is a delicious solution to this problem, adding flavor without the calories of juices, sodas, and other beverages. You can make cucumber water at home so you always have something tasty to stay hydrated, or you can serve it to guests and impress as a host. Ingredients: 1 medium-sized cucumber, 2 quarts of water or seltzer water, mint, citrus, strawberries, pineapple, optional. Prepare the cucumber. Wash the cucumber to remove any dirt or bacteria that may be present. If desired, peel off the skin of the cucumber using a vegetable peeler or paring knife. One attractive option is to peel thin stripes off, leaving some present for decoration. Peeling the cucumber is largely a matter of taste, whether you prefer the look and texture of a cucumber with its peel or without. Slice the cucumber. Using a sharp knife, cut the cucumber lengthwise in half. Slice the two halves into pieces 0.25-0.5 inch, 0.6-1.25 cm thick. If desired, seed the cucumber by removing the soft middle portion with a spoon prior to slicing. Cucumber seeds are edible, but some people may prefer not to include them in the drink. Put the cucumber slices in the pitcher. Cucumber slices will float, so if you desire a stronger infusion, put a layer of ice on top of the cucumbers to keep them below the surface of the water. For best results, allow the cucumber to steep in the water for at least an hour before drinking so the flavor will infuse the water. Allowing the water to steep overnight will make for a more strongly flavored drink. Stir it gently before serving. Pour water into a pitcher. How much water will depend on the size of the pitcher, but a good starting ratio would be 2 quarts of water to 1 medium-sized cucumber. Cucumber water is best when it is chilled, so choose a pitcher that will fit easily into your refrigerator. If this is not an option, add ice to the pitcher to allow it to chill before serving. Refill the water pitcher. The same cucumber or other variations, if you include them, can be used for multiple batches of cucumber water. Simply leave the slices of cucumber in the pitcher when serving and refill the pitcher. When the water seems less flavorful, discard or eat the remaining cucumber slices. Consume the cucumber water within 2 days, as the beverage lacks preservatives and over time the cucumbers will rot. Include mint in the water. Wash several mint leaves under running water. Slice the mint into narrow ribbons to allow the flavor to steep better and to make for smaller pieces in the drink. Mint is available in most supermarkets and is also hardy enough to be grown in many gardens. Adding mint to the cucumber water will make it sweeter without adding sugar. Infuse the water with citrus. Lemons, limes, and oranges all add strong flavor to water without adding calories. If serving immediately, slice the fruit in half and squeeze the juice into the prepared cucumber water. Slices of fruit may be left with the cucumbers to steep for a longer period. Remember to wash the fruit, particularly if you are allowing slices to steep. Be aware that the fruit may contain seeds which could fall into the drink. Citrus is also an important source of vitamin C, which is necessary to strengthen bones and muscles.